Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect VBA to Bitly detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Microsoft Excel and press Alt plus F11 to access the Visual Basic for Applications editor. In the VBA editor, click on Insert in the top menu and select Module. This will create a new module where you can write your VBA code. You will need to add a reference to the Microsoft XML library. To do this, click on Tools in the menu and select References. In the list that appears, find and check the box for Microsoft XML, version 6.0. Now, you can begin writing your VBA code. First, declare the necessary variables at the top of your module. You will need variables for the Bitly API endpoint and your access token. For example, define a string variable for the endpoint, dim URL as string. Next, set the value of the endpoint to the Bitly API URL. URL equals https://api-ssl.bitly. Declare another string variable for your access token. Dim access token is string. Assign your actual Bitly access token to this variable. Access token equals your _access token. Now, create a subroutine to handle the shortening process. Begin with sub shorten URL. You will also need to define variables for the request and the response. Declare variables for the HTTP request, dim HTTP request as object. Set up the HTTP request to create a new XML HTTP request object. Set HTTP request equals create object, MSXM. Next, prepare the request by specifying the HTTP method in URL. Use HTTP request open post, URL, false. Now, set the necessary headers for the request. Add the authorization header with your access token, HTTP request.setRequest header authorization, bearer and access token. Set the content type to indicate you're sending JSON, HTTP request.setRequest header content type, application/JSON. You'll need to create a JSON string containing the long URL to shorten. Define the long URL you want to shorten, dim long URL as string. Assign it your desired URL, long URL equals https://www.example.com. Create the JSON string that will be sent with the request, dim JSON data as string. Set JSON data equals long _URL and long URL end. Now, send the request with the JSON data attached. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.